Goedemorgen. Good morning guys, good evening, good afternoon. Welcome to Makeable. Probably everyone's favorite video. No one cares about tutorials. Everyone just wants to see what you spent your money on. Okay, so I am gonna jump in and just start. Of the makeup I have here, I bought myself a few odd products I got for my birthday, as it was my birthday last month. So I got a few gifts. I think I got one gift. Anyway, I'm gonna start showing you guys. One of the coolest gifts anyone has ever given me. Jammer vir almal wat al vir my geskenk gekoop het. But my friend went on a tour to Italy. I think it's Italy. Yes, it's Italy. It's definitely Italy. And he brought me back a makeup gift. I've had this since April the 17th and I have not used it. I've swatched it, not used it, because I'm scared of running out. I'm really scared of running out. So this is the box. It is a very well-known brand in Italy. I can't pronounce it. It's P-U-P-A. Can't pronounce it. But it is a whole kit. It looks like this, and it's a box that you open. It's like it's actually heavy. Everything smells really nice though. Okay, so I'm gonna try and show you without flipping this whole thing over. Okay, so those are the eyeshadows. It's really cute because it tells you what.
I'm listening.
I'm speaking weird. Siri? No, thank you.
Okay.
Okay, continue. So it actually tells you these three things. Ow! Okay, so it actually tells you those three things are for eyebrows, those are cream eyeshadows, that's an eyeliner, and it tells you these are halo shades. It's pretty cool. But wait, there's more. It has a slide on the side, which is a lipstick palette. A lot of these colors remind me of the colors in the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. This thing's really heavy, I'm not joking. This bar sword. And then you have some concealers, lip primers, and eye primers. I've actually used the lip and the eye primer. I'm gonna use some more now because I've got nothing on my face. And it's really balmy and smooth. I really like it. There's a few shades in the eyeshadows which are like rose gold that I really want to use, but I don't want to use it because ek wil nie hê dit moet opraak nie. Unless someone's volunteering to fly and go get another one, then yes, thank you. For my birthday, I spoiled myself with a MAC Masterclass. It was so much fun, and that's where I learned the whole glossy eye thing that I will link the video somewhere on the screen. But as a gift, you pay 500 Rand for your masterclass, but you redeem the 500 Rand in products afterwards, which is one of the best ideas I've ever heard of, because you pay for knowledge and then you get product. So it's like poof, amazing. So with the class we got this pouch. It's like something you didn't know you needed, and now that you know about it you can't not have it. So it's a liner pouch. Let's not open it upside down. So it looks like this. It's 3 pouches that open individually for liners. And now I can't go without it. It's so helpful. If I ever see anything like this, I will take a photo and send it to everyone because you need this. And with that class, with the money I got, I decided to buy myself a makeup ready skincare kit. In my kit I got a mini fix plus, a strobe cream, and you also get a mini cleanse of oil. This is really amazing for dry skin, and it gives you a mini natural radiance primer. How I knew I wanted this box because it had the yellow mini primer and you get the pink one as well. With that I picked up a few other things from MAC as well. I've got the fluid lined brow gel in True Brunette, so this one I got for my kit. And then Swiss Chocolate, the eyeshadow, the one that I've been using for my contour for the past few weeks. Favorite, can't live without it. And also a new favorite when it comes to lipstick, it is the Salt Remove Powder Kiss lipstick. It is MAC's new range of lipsticks, Powder Kiss ones. The packaging feels like velvety smooth and I really like it. It's baie mooi. Kry vir jou ene. Kry vir 2. Ek sê jy kan 3 kry. Dis okay. Kry 4. Okay, 4. Then I also stopped at my friend from Pink Cosmetics. I absolutely love Pink Cosmetics. I got my mom a sample pack of skincare products, so it's really cute how they sell like pack like this with like 3 or 4 products inside, so you get to actually try the products before you buy it, which is something I think is really valuable, especially for skincare, because you never know if something's gonna actually work for you. What works for one doesn't always work for the other. So for myself, I picked up a lip scrub. I picked up I think I picked up the mint one. Wait, let me just smell. Yes, I picked up the mint lip scrub. I have already had this lip scrub, and it's really nice to see how Pink Cosmetics has evolved, because I think the last time I bought it, it came in a plastic container, and now it's in this smooth glass jar with like a shiny lid and a sticker. I'm like really proud of everything Pink Cosmetics is doing. Also got a sample size, a white willow micellar water. Wow, that sounds really interesting. I haven't used it. I'll be using this tonight. And then a Protect facial oil. I really like their packaging. It's so cute. You just tear it open. Amper sulke lek. And then your product is inside. As soon as I can get it out. Oh, cute. That's adorable. It's a little squeezy bottle. Look at how tiny that is. It's so cute. And it has a little dripper as well. Gosh, that's really sweet. I'm gonna put this on today. I had to go raid Clicks again for just some basics. I used the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Water in the pink one. I need to go stock up on the yellow one again, which is the one that has oil inside to take off all the mascara, so I don't end up looking like a raccoon every morning. And then Batista spray. I always need it, I always buy it, and I'm always somehow out of it. Like it's done, there's nothing. It's op, klaar. Klaar. The MAC one, I got another Dazzle Shadow Liquid. This one is called Everyday Sunshine. So it's a nice cream color, and I can't wait to use this on a bride. Or on just anyone that wants to come sit in my chair. Alsjeblieft. Products, I have the Sorbet Makeup Eraser Wipes. I'm almost out. I need more. And then my new favorite lashes are from Sorbet as well. I spoke about them in a previous video. This container is empty because I lost them, so I will have to go buy new ones. Again. Story of my life. I try to buy a few products that I usually would not buy. You would never really see me buying foundation because I like sticking to what works. But at this point, I don't even know what works anymore. So I just took a chance and I bought a few new things. I was at Clicks and I was gonna try the Essence little drop foundation thing, the liquid one, and I asked the lady at the counter, like, would she rather try something from another brand or would she try this? And she said she would definitely try Makeup Revolution foundation. I chose to try the stick one because I automatically thought that the liquid one would dry matte, and I know my skin and I kind of knew my skin was gonna hate it. Despite the reviews I've heard about the cream foundation, I've heard that people said like it's patchy and it flakes off, but honestly this is like the most skin-like foundation I've probably ever worn. Surprise, eh? Just shows you once again, what works for one person is not always gonna work for another. I had to get a concealer, want hoekom nie? I picked up the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. Can't say that I'm a fan because I don't really do concealers as much, and I think I got it in the wrong shade, but it does really give really good coverage. So if you're looking for something with coverage, I would definitely go for this one. I picked up a lip product. I love pink. I don't know why. It's a recent new thing, pink and orange. Weet nie hoekom nie, maar ek loved it. Soos love. So I got the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink, and this is in shade 15, Lover. I really like this shade. It's my favorite. Oh, and I'm telling you, if you need to go to war or you're planning on staying awake for like 72 hours and you need a lipstick that's gonna stay, I wouldn't suggest anything else. I don't care what liquid lipstick someone's paying you to use this one. It took me a day to get this off of my face. I put it on at 6 in the morning. It was 9 p.m. after gym and I still had this on. Now I don't gym with makeup, I just couldn't get it off for gym. And I ate the whole day. I drank 3.5 liters of water and this thing stuck to my face. Good quality. Then also my friend Charlie Boy on Instagram, I've seen him post about Revlon's mascaras and I was like, oh, ek wil probeer. Oh my gosh, guys, I should really start reading packaging because I picked up the Mega Multiplier. Looks like this. And I didn't read the packaging because the packaging actually says it's like a purple brown glitter mascara. Despite the color, works like a bomb. So I will be picking up a different one, but I will be asking advice before I do that. Then the last makeup product I picked up was the Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. I've heard people say that this is a lot like, I haven't even swatched it, like the sellotape is still on. But yes, that is the palette. I've heard people say it looks a lot like the Anastasia Beverly Hills Renaissance palette, and that is exactly why I had to try it, because I don't have the Renaissance palette and I feel like I need it because it's all the colors that I always use. Okay. And then lastly, I know this is like something weird, not into the makeup section, but Sensodyne Rapid Relief Toothpaste. Julle, ek kan nie vir julle sê nie. My tande gee die wêreldse probleme. My teeth are always a problem. I've chipped both my front teeth. One was jumping off the Grand Canyon wall into the river, and the other one is just I literally brushed my teeth and they chipped. So my friend Siska, she's she's not a dentist, she's a hygienist. She's really good. I went to see her the other day and she actually gave me a bunch of samples of products that I could use. One of them was a mouthwash that I've purchased twice now after she suggested it, and then I keep buying Sensodyne now because it actually helps. Oh, that was a lot of talking. I don't know how I'm gonna make this video short. But thank you so much for watching. That is my product haul for the month of April, half of May. I think we're gonna just work it in month and a half because ek kan nie so baie geld spandeer. Julle gaan my bankrot maak. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that video. If there's anything out of the list that I just showed you that you would like to see swatches on, let me know and I can do a whole swatch video for you. God bless you and I hope you have a lucky day. Bye.